Welcome to the local host lab, and today we are looking at Leetcode problem number 3871, counting commas in range 2. Let's first understand the problem statement and then we'll look at its Java solution. So if we have been given an integer n, we have to return all the total number of commas used when writing all the integers from 1 to n. Now a comma is inserted after 3 digits from the right. Number with fewer than 4 digits contain no commas. So suppose if we are given n as 1002, the output is going to be 3. So we have only 3 digits, 1000, 1001, 1002, which contains 1 commas each. Hence, total comma is 3. For digits less than 4, it's 0. The constraint is from 1 to 10 to the power 50. Now let's understand. So here you see I'm dividing the numbers into ranges. So suppose from first we have 1 to 9999. The answer is going to be 0, no commas. From 1000 to 999, 6 times 9, it's going to be 1. So each digit will have only 1 comma. Any number in this range, each number will have only 1 comma. In the next range, this to this, each number will have 2 commas. Similarly, in this range, each number will have 3 commas. So you can see there is a pattern, like the starting value is 1000. For the next range, the starting value is 1000 times 1000. For next, 1000 times 1000 times 1000. And what is this value? This is basically start minus 1. Start minus 1. And see, with each range the comma is increasing by 1, right? So now we have identified the pattern, then we'll solve it. So let's take the answer as 0, start as 1000, because see, we are not concerned with this range. The answer is going to be 0 and we have set the answer as 0. If our start is, if and we are putting this condition, if n is less than start, then obviously our answer is 0. So we are returning that this whole block will not execute. So we are not concerned with this in the loop. Now we'll start from this. We have set start as 1000, and in this range the number of comma is 1. That's what we are setting. Now we are going inside the while loop when start is less than equal to n. Now we have to calculate the end for first iteration. Okay, how can we calculate? Start into 1000 minus 1, so which will give us this. Now we have start, we have end. Now can we count the number? Can we count the number? How? We can take min of n comma end, whichever is smaller. Now suppose if n lies between this range, we will get that value. Then we will do minus start and then plus. We are subtracting 1000, right? And then we have to add 1 to compensate it. So that's what we are doing. If the number falls in this range, then we'll take min. That is why we are doing math.min. Then what is going to be our answer? Once we found the numbers, count of the numbers, we can simply multiply it by commas, right? In this range, it's 1. And we are taking summation. Suppose if our n lies in this range. So that is why we are doing summation of answer. For first iteration, for first range we have calculated, then we'll go to second range and then we'll add all the answers, right? Now after this we are increasing our start. We are setting a new start, okay, by multiplying by 1000. And for this range, the comma is 2. So we are also increasing the comma by 1. After this whole loop, the loop, we will have our answer. So once we submit this, we will get correct answer. So I hope you understood. Subscribe for more such videos. Thank you for watching.